Alright, well, my name is Jed McKeehan, and I'm an attorney here in Knoxville, Tennessee, and making some videos here today, and I'll tell you why we're going to do that. Whenever I have friends over or I'm at someone's house and a discussion comes up about the law or insurance or something like that, I end up giving a somewhat mini lecture about what I know about the issues and my involvement with them as an attorney. And then after I end up talking for a few minutes, everybody kind of sits there dead quiet for a second, and they're like, I had no idea how that's worked. Which is good, because now they know. And as we all know, knowing is half the battle. So I've decided to make a few videos here to give some education on some basic law issues that end up potentially affecting everyone's life at one time or the other, and usually when someone's involved in a legal issue, it's their first time going into an issue like that. They're totally inexperienced and unfamiliar with that, and here's some information you can use if you are involved in a lawsuit at some point. So let's talk today about what exactly a lawsuit is and what that happens and what it looks like when you sue someone. Now, suing can be a very scary term for a lot of people. To sue someone is a scary term and has a lot of negative connotations. And lots of times people don't want to sue someone. They would much rather that it doesn't come to that. If you get hit by somebody in a car accident, you would much rather them pay you, or their insurance company pay you for your injuries, than have to sue them to make them pay you. Or if you own a rental property and your renter isn't paying you, you would much rather him pay you than you have to go to court and sue them. But sometimes that's what it comes to. You end up having to sue somebody. So what does a lawsuit look like? What does it look like when you sue someone? Well, it's actually just some pieces of paper that you file with the court. If you're suing for a small amount of money, the court has, in Knox County, they have a one-sheet piece of paper here that you just fill out the blanks. You only get 3 lines to tell them what happened in the lawsuit and why you're owed money. That's one type of lawsuit that you can file here. Another kind, if it's a little more complicated, here's a sample 5-page complaint is what you file with the court. That's what the one piece of paper is. That's what this is. It's a call to complaint to start a lawsuit. And this usually will be prepared with the help and assistance of an attorney. So what do you do to start the lawsuit? You fill out your complaint, you sign it, you have your attorney sign it, and then you go file it with the court. And you will need to pay a filing fee as well, which is usually can range from $150 to $250. So if you have a lawsuit that's worth only $100 or $300, it may very well not even be worth your time to file that lawsuit. So that's what I wanted to talk about in this first video. In the next video, we'll talk about what the steps are that take place after a lawsuit is filed.